Hello, dear students. Welcome to Ashraful Islam Show on YouTube channel EngGram and more. How are you? I hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today, we are going to enjoy a new dialogue between two friends about their plans after the SSC examination. So, let's enjoy the video.
Good afternoon, Brett. How are you?
Good afternoon, Jessica. I'm fine, thanks. What about you?
I am fine too.
So, how was your SSC examination?
It was good. How was yours?
Not bad. I did my best.
So, there is a big vacation for us. What are you planning to do?
Well, you know I am weak in English writing. I want to improve my skills on English writing.
How would you do that?
Well, I have already bought some English books. I will finish those first. Then, I will join in a special English course in EngGram and more YouTube channel. I hope it will help me too.
That's great. That's a very good idea, because it will help you much in future. We need English in all sphere of life. I will also join EngGram and more. I want to watch it.
What about you? What are you going to do?
Well, I will visit my village.
That's a good way to spend the vacation.
I am also planning to teach in the village school for free. I think I would be able to help a lot of students there.
That would be a really good idea to do. Good luck.
Same to you. Goodbye.